Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, July 27th. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and we had quite some interesting moves yesterday. So I remember yesterday morning I told you I was forced to update my Elliott wave count because we were making new highs here, higher highs, higher lows. So I was a bit forced to call this here my wave 2, 1, 2, and then ready for more upside. But I also explicitly told you not to trade it because it was not a reliable structure at all. And this is what actually turned out. I think 15 minutes after I changed my Elliott wave count, it started to turn, and this was a trick. Like, this is what they do. They create here a movement that it looks bullish, like, oh, we have a trend line, the trend line is holding, we will move up from here, we will shoot higher, and then we just drop in instead. I was a bit fearing for this kind of scenario. So, and then later that day, here this V-shape recovery, like this. Then this comes out of nothing. I think very brutal markets for the moment. You have to be extremely careful and really wait for a reliable pattern till the conditions are fulfilled, because like, this is really difficult to interpret. So I would say be extremely careful. So now also, the Elliott wave count, like I say, this is difficult to interpret. And look, what I will do, I will just excuse me. Like, based on this, I cannot find an entry anyway. So I would just suggest an entry point from where we should have reaction. And the only entry that I see for now is this here, as this wave 2, assuming that this low, this wave 4, in the higher degree low, holds. There is still a scenario that we can also break this low. If you are interested in this scenario, please have a look at my yesterday's video, and also my higher time frame analysis from the weekend. But for now, I would assume that like, this is very corrective. This V-shape patterns are typically corrective patterns. So I will just assume that we are still doing something corrective, and what I'm waiting for is this wave 2. So in my current Elliott wave count, I would say this here was our wave 1 to the upside. 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we have a corrective part. And if this is our 1, I would suggest that we wait for a wave 2, and this wave 2 should then go into this area between the 0. 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracements. Now, could it be that the wave 2 is over? Yes, it could be that the wave 2 is in here, but yeah, like, I cannot suggest to trade a shallow wave 2 retracements, because it's like, the Elliott wave rules are not respected here. We did not retrace to the 0.5 level, so I will not suggest to trade this shallow wave 2, so that we see more upside from here. If I want to see upside, it is from here, from this area where the wave 2 should go. So for now, yeah, another difficulty is that on depending on the platform, I checked several platforms, is that like here we took out this high. In other platforms we did not took out this high, but retraced below this high here. And then also in some platforms we took out this low, and in other platforms we like here on the Wanda platform, we did not take out this low. We went back up earlier before this before breaking this low. So yeah, in terms of Elliott wave count, I would just say that this is then an ABC. It's a running flat, very complicated structure, but yeah, as you can see, it is also quite complicated. And then because of this V-shape recovery, I still think we are doing something corrective. So putting this all together, like if I have to come up with a pattern that we end into this area, because this is the only area from where I can suggest to go long again, then we would have a mature wave 2, in the sense that we reached the 0.5 FIP retracement. Then I would think that so this is our first ABC, and this ABC is part of a larger, bigger correction of a W, X, Y pattern. So a double and complicated correction. So like this, actually, ABC makes our wave W. Then in a minute we will have a look at this wave X on the 15-minute time frame. But from this wave X, what should follow then is another 3 waves, ABC, down into this area. Yeah, so something like this. So now let's have a look at the 15 minutes. And so yeah, actually this could be 1, 2. Yeah, so here we also need a corrective structure as this wave X, and maybe here, this here is our ABC, something like this. Here we then also have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, and then this can be the wave X, and then ABC down as a wave Y. Yeah, so this is how I would do it. Could it be that the wave 2 is in here, that we see more upside from here? Yeah, could be. I cannot exclude this, but yeah, I can also not advise to to go long on a shallow wave 2 after running an unclear running flat correction. This is not a reliable setup. Of course, if we would see from here, if this would develop in something impulsive in 5 ways, then then the situation becomes more clear, and then we can buy the next pullback as an ABC. But for now, the situation is not clear. This is the best I can do with the data we have. So yeah, I would wait for this area to go long, and so now I would also like to see 3 waves down. This would give me more confidence to go long from here. And then the other question is, can we go short from here? Yeah, maybe you can, but there is not really a reliable invalidation level. Like I said, first of all, wave 2 can be in here, and then we see more upside. So this can become a terrible short. And then that's why it's not really reliable. Like, if you want to do this, you really have to go to the lower time frame, the 1 minute. Look for some exhaustion to the upside, then go short, immediately protect your position, and see if it holds or not. This is the only way to do it, I think. But yeah, I would say be extremely careful. We have very brutal markets. Like, this was a trap to mislead you. Also, this V-shaped recovery, like out of nothing. Very very aggressive and dangerous moves. So be careful. Okay, that's my analysis for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.